Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an important SQL interview question, which is question number 19 of American Express interview question series for beginner to 3 years experience. So what is the question all about? The question all about is like how to find the highest, or you could say maximum transaction amount for each customer. So I would say whether you are preparing for data analyst role or working on a real project, this is a must known I would say question to learn, because this kind of question is highly used in, I would say, e-commerce, banking sector, mostly each and every sector, I would say, because like each and every company will find either the highest sales amount, either the lowest sales amount, or either the highest transaction done by a customer or highest sales done by a salesperson, like that. So let's say you are working with a table that logs all customer transaction. I have made the table query as well as insert into. I will paste it in the comment section. You just copy and paste it into your SQL database. So no need to write this directly, just copy and paste, it will work. So where let's say you are working with a table that logs all customer transaction. Each row tells us who made the transaction, how much it was, and when it happened. Now suppose your stakeholder or the business team ask you, can you tell me the biggest transaction each customer has made? Or you would say, we are dealing with transaction table right now. Suppose you are dealing with a sales table, like that. So there your stakeholder can ask you, can you tell me the highest sales or biggest sales each salesperson or employee has made in their sales department? And you will be yes, SQL, max function and group by are perfect for this. Simple as that. Let's build it step by step. So first we will create a table named transaction. It has 4 columns. Let me minimize this first, and we have already created. So here I would say transaction ID is there, customer ID, amount, and transaction date. Transaction ID is just a unique ID, simple as that. Customer ID is what? It helps us know who made the transaction. Amount tells us how much transaction has been done or what's the amount of transaction that customer has done. And transaction date stores when it happened, just like a history, like the time, date and all, like that. Here time I have not given, I have only given date. And now let's insert some dummy data to work with. I have already done it, so no need to write it, pausing the video and writing. You just copy paste from the comment section. So here customer 1, you can see here duplicates are there, I would say. So here customer 101 has 3 transaction, 102 has 2 transaction, and 103 has 2 transactions. Same, 102 and 3, they have both 2 transaction. 101 has 3, right? Now the big question, how do you find the maximum transaction amount for each customer? Each customer, when I say, always keep in mind we will be using group by. And when I say highest transaction, here comes the practical part. So let's go with the query. So here I will write select. I want column of customer ID. Why customer ID? Because we will be doing a group by with customer ID, because we want the unique customers. Means if I ask you how many unique customers are there, you will say 101, 102 and 103. So that what group by does, it will just give you the unique customer detail in the output. So customer ID is must, because the column name which I have given in select query, you have to write the same column name in group by. So it is done. And now the aggregate part, or you would say the main question part, which is max. And max on what column we will be using? We will be using in amount column. So we will be asked, means we have been asked question for max amount. So max amount, simple as that, we have given max amount. And in SQL, max is what used for highest transaction, means highest, I mean say data to find out. And I will give this max transaction like that, and this is it. From, you have to write the table name. Table name is transaction. I am just copy pasting it, copy and paste it, that's it, transaction. And as I have told you, we have to find the highest transaction amount for each customer. So each customer means we have to take group by, so that it will give us the unique ID of customer, right? Customer ID, that's it, done and dusted. If I say what, like if someone asks you what this query does, this query groups all the rows by customer ID, and for each group it find the largest amount using max, that's it. And we use as, like I have given alias max transaction, just to give the output column in a nice readable name in a professional way. So let's run it and see what we get in output. See, the result look like this, simple and sweet. And what this table tells us, this tells us that customer 101 highest transaction is 3200. Customer 102 having a highest transaction of 2200, and customer 103 is having a highest transaction of 7000. I am saying it's the highest transaction, it is not sum of anything. Max is just the highest transaction, that's it. And I would say, like if you want to also know when each customer made max transaction, you need to use more advanced query with a join or a window function. But for now, max and group by gets the job done when you only care about the amount. If you want to know more about when the transaction was made, you can just tell me. I will, like in mail or comment section, I will make a video on that as well, no worries for that. And that's it for today. A small but super useful SQL trick that you will use again and again in your real world scenario. And I would say thanks to everyone for watching my video, liking my video, sharing and subscribing, and please click on the bell icon as well. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. I will see you in the next video with more SQL, Python and data projects, study with me videos as well. So let's meet tomorrow with a new video and a new question, or I would say if I get a new doubt in mail or comment section, I will make a video on that. So bye bye, take care and happy coding.